Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use ChatGPT to generate Midjourney prompts. So first of all, go to openai.chatgpt. If you do not have logged in this page, then you have to log in. I have logged in, so I'm directly going to chat with ChatGPT. So I have to give the keyword for generating the ideas, generating the prompts for the Midjourney. So first of all, I have to have an idea to generate the prompts. Let's say I have the idea on space. You have to type explain the following sentence. Then write the sentence that you want. I'm writing astronaut walking on space. Okay, so now if I have the sentence to as a prompt for the Midjourney AI. Now if I copy the sentence and then paste into the Midjourney AI software, then it will generate the art from this sentence. But at the Midjourney server, type /imagine and then give the prompt that you have generated from the ChatGPT. Then press enter to generate the art you want.